Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I want to do something a little bit different, and I am going to be talking about inflation and the upcoming recession and basically my plans, my strategy about what I'm going to do to overcome these two things. And if you guys are new here, be sure to join my Telegram channel so that you can get updates and be the first to know about new investments so that you can get in early and profit. The link is in the description below of this video. So inflation, I know it's all over the news. We have all heard about it. Inflation is at an all-time high as of today. It is currently at 8.3%. which means that everything, the cost of everything you can think of, has risen significantly. Prices for gas, for food, for housing costs has all gone up and doesn't see any chance of slowing down, it seems like. And it has definitely created a lot of strain for a lot of people, especially if you don't have a lot of disposable income, especially if you have to work multiple jobs. And it is just a very stressful time for a lot of people because of this inflation cycle that we are stuck in. And, you know, a lot of people are thinking, how do you keep up with rising costs? I mean, conventional wisdom says that, well, you should just save more. But the question is, how can you save more if everything is costing more? How can you save? And conventional wisdom says to spend less, but how can you spend less when everything costs more because of inflation? And a lot of people think, well, maybe I can just take on additional work another job, but you know, there's so much you can do. There's only so much you can do in a day. And if you work too hard, you know, you just end up more stressed and more worried about money. So in this day and age, in this situation that we're in, conventional methods of saving, spending less, and making extra money seem to fail. So what do we do? Well, the bigger question is, are you prepared for a recession? Because there's a 75% chance that we will be in a recession by the end of this year. And the question is, do you have a plan? And if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. If you don't have a plan for what you're going to do in this recession, in this coming recession, then you are just going to fail, unfortunately. And, you know, the media, they are telling us that it's not going to be that bad. You know, they want us to believe that inflation is a short-term thing when it's actually not. And they also want you to believe that the recession is something that is just going to be super minor when it's not. So they're trying to distract us and play down all of these problems that have been building over time. And honestly, things are only going to get much worse. But stocks are also projected to take a 40% hit as well. So this recession, which the media isn't telling you, is that it will most likely wipe out your stock gains and put you years behind. So all the gains that you've had, it can likely wipe out most of them from this upcoming recession. And so if you want to beat the recession, if you want to profit from it, if you want to come out on the other side even more profitable, then keep watching, because all these things are bad, but the recession also equals a really big opportunity. And so this opportunity, you know, I can't talk a lot about it here on YouTube, but this recession is going to be major. But it's also going to be a major way for people like us to take advantage of it and profit when everyone else is losing really big. And I am talking about an inflation-proof, recession-proof private investment. So this private investment is a private opportunity, and it is for serious investors only. So if you're not looking to invest a good chunk of money into this, if you are just sitting on the fence, if you're a tire kicker, this is not for you. Doors are open only for a limited amount of time because, as we know, as this recession is drawing near, it is creating an opportunity for us to profit. So that's why the doors for this opportunity are only open for a limited amount of time. In fact, it is starting now already, and I've already gotten in and have been able to take advantage of this already. And like I mentioned, this is a private investment, so I can't share too much about it on YouTube here. And if you want more information about this, you're going to have to reach out to me personally. And so we can have a personal conversation about it. I can get to know you a little bit to see if you would even be a good fit for this investment, because I'm not just going to be sharing this with anybody that messages me. I need to vet you out, and make sure that you are responsible about this opportunity, and I have to make sure that you personally are a good fit for this. But I can tell you that it is really amazing, and I've already benefited so much from it, and I feel that much more confident going into this recession. With inflation that's upon us, I don't feel as stressed about everything that is happening economically because of this private investment that I'm in. And so if you want peace of mind, if you have extra money to invest, and I mean a good chunk of money, and you're serious about investing, then reach out to me. My link is in the description of this video below. And, let's not waste each other's time, because if you're just a skeptic looking to criticize yet another platform that I share, and you just want to, go back and forth about, how you don't believe in any of this stuff, don't even bother messaging me, because this opportunity is only for those who are serious and ready to invest a good chunk of money into this. It's not for skeptics looking just to criticize because they have nothing better to do. And as I mentioned, I can only invite people personally on a one-to-one basis. That means that, we will have to have a quick back and forth about this opportunity. And if I get the feeling that I just, either don't know you well enough or don't have a good feeling about you, I will deny this opportunity and possibly future opportunities from you, just because this is a very serious and really great opportunity that I don't want to spoil. And I want the reputation of this opportunity to remain clean, because I know it's legit and I know it's good, and I only want people in it that I can personally vouch for. So with that said, if you are interested in learning more, if you are serious about investing and you have a good chunk of money to put into this, message me on Telegram for more details. My link is in the description of this video. And that's all I have to say about this. As I mentioned, I can't tell you any more about this on YouTube. It is a private investment. It's not something that should even be talked about publicly. So in making this video, I feel like I am taking a risk in doing this, but it's because I really care about you guys, and I want you guys to know about different investments that I'm in. And so this is why I am making this video and opening it up to you guys, because, I want everyone who is either a subscriber of my channel, in my Telegram group, to know about the very best things out there and the things that I am personally putting my own money in. I wouldn't put my money into something like this if I didn't 110% believe in it, and I do. So that said, if you're interested, message me on Telegram for more details, and we'll have a follow-up chat if I believe you are a good fit for it. And I hope to see you there.